Bonjour et bienvenue à jefrench.com. Aujourd'hui, today, nous allons apprendre, we are going to learn, some basic building blocks like pronouns and a few verbs like manger et aimer. Manger is to eat, aimer is to like or to love, and we're going to build some sentences in French with those building blocks. So how do we say I in French? Je. You is tu. U sound. Tu. He is il. She is elle. We is nous. U sound. Nous. On stands for we also. It also stands for let's. When we have a call to action, let's do this, let's eat, on mange. Vous is you, plural. They is il for the masculine, and elle for the feminine. Now repeat after me. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Now we're going to learn another building block, and that's a verb, the verb manger, to eat. Now notice that manger ends up with er. That tells you that it's a verb of the first group, and that's great news because they are the easiest ones to conjugate. They always pretty much end up the same way. Je mange. Now I encourage you to repeat after me so you can get the most out of the lesson and learn as quickly as possible. Je mange. Tu manges. Il mange. Elle mange. On mange. Now notice that il mange, elle mange, et on mange always end up the same, and they always do no matter what verb you're conjugating. In the plural form, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. Now also, il mange and elle mange in the plural form will always have the same endings. Now we're going to learn another easy verb of the first group, the verb aimer, which means to like, but can also mean to love. Okay, and in a future lesson we'll go over how to differentiate the two. Make sure you're not telling somebody you love them when you're just trying to tell them you like them. J'aime. Now notice right away how the je has lost its e, and we have an apostrophe in place of the e. J'aime. That's because the verb aimer starts with a vowel. And in French we don't like to have two vowels following each other. Je aime just doesn't sound good to us, so we do away with the e and replace it with an apostrophe. We bring the two words together, j'aime, and it just flows a lot better. So let's go over it again. J'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. On aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. Now you notice that how in the plural form, when we have the S at the end of nous, vous, il, elle, we make the liaison. We make that S heard. And particularly with il and elle, it allows us to make the difference between if we're talking about just one person or a group of people. Okay, now that we know how to conjugate the verb aimer and the verb manger. It's time to build some sentences. I'm going to say it once in French, once in English, once in French again, and then it's your turn to repeat after me. Je mange du poisson. I eat fish. Je mange du poisson. Tu aimes le foot. You like soccer. Tu aimes le foot. Il aime cette fille. He likes or he loves this girl. Il aime cette fille. Elle mange une salade. She eats a salad. Elle mange une salade. Nous aimons la musique. We like music. Nous aimons la musique. On aime la guitare. We like the guitar. On aime la guitare. Vous aimez le tennis. You like tennis. Vous aimez le tennis. Ils aiment courir. They like to run. Ils aiment courir. Elles s'aiment. They love each other. Elles s'aiment. Bravo, you completed your first basic French lesson with jefrench.com. Please visit our site at jefrench.com. That's www.jefrench.com for free videos and free podcasts. À bientôt. See you soon.